Today's project is a block print, but not any old block print. This one's going to be a block print of my character Emmanuel, the conspiracy theorist.
The elites are right in our faces, right out in front. They don't even try and hide anymore. I mean, look at chemtrails. You just look up in the sky. You can't tell me those aren't real.
Here's our template on the size we're going for. It's about 4 by 6 inches. I'm gonna mark the block. And our drawing on the parchment paper, I believe. We reverse it, put it on the block. Okay, that'll work. I'm gonna fill in some of these lines with the Sharpie so we can tell what we're doing. And carving. Let's see how this guy prints. Put down some ink. Saturate this block. It's okay, but I definitely need to do some editing and get rid of these sides and do some tweaks on some of the details. There we go. Perfect. There we go. Look at our beautiful prints. And that's it for this one. Alright, as always, I love you. Thanks for watching. Have fun.